In this video, we will enhance our data model a little bit more. In the last video, we have seen role-playing dimensions, and in this video, we will deploy our data model and we'll connect Power BI to this SSAS tabular model. So let me show you the SQL Server Management Studio. So here we have to connect to the analysis services. And this is the server name, and I just need to connect. And here you can see under databases it is empty, there is no database available, right? So we need to open the Visual Studio. You have to click the Solution Explorer, this one, and this tabular tutorial, this is the name of the project. You need to right click here and go to the properties. So here we have to copy and paste the same analysis server name. This is our analysis server name, and this is the name of the database that we will create after deploying. So we need to right click here and deploy. So this model will read all the data from these tables and deploy to the analysis server. Close. And now we can go to the SQL Server Management Studio, and here we have to refresh. So here you can see we have the tabular tutorial. This is the database that is available, right? And these are the tables. So we need to open Power BI desktop, and then we will connect this Power BI to the newly created SSAS Tabular database. So we need to click Get Data, and need to click Database, and here we have to click SQL Server Analysis Services Database. Connect. So here we need to provide the name of the analysis server. So we can just click Analysis Services and copy this server name, and then we will paste here. So you have to select Connect Live and click OK. So we need to click Tabular Tutorial and then click OK. So here you can see we are getting all the tables that are available here. These are the tables, right? So we have fetched all the things in the Power BI desktop. So now what we can do now, for example, we can go to the like dim date column, and here we have, for example, the English day name of week, English day name, this one. So we need to change the name, um, like a user friendly name. So this is the column name, so we can write here English week, this one, for example, right? So we need to save it, and then again we have to go to the Solution Explorer. After saving, we need to deploy it again so that we can get the changes that we have done with the column name. Okay, and then here you can see the dim date. So here you can see the English day name of the week. This is the name of the column, and we don't see any change here. So what we have to do now, we need to refresh. You have to click refresh and see, this is the English week, this one. So whenever you do any change in the model, you have to first save it and then deploy it and then refresh the client tool. Either you are connecting your data model with the Excel, or you are connecting with the Power BI. You have to refresh it so that it can fetch the latest data. So we will just drag the English week, and let me zoom it. Need to increase the size, text size. So here you can see we are getting Friday, Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Thursday. So these names are not in order, right? So we need to make to this column should show values in a proper order. So what we have to do now, we need to go to the model, and if you click here, this little drop down, and you will see there are two options: sort A to Z or sort Z to A. So this thing will not work. So what we have to do now, we just need to select this column, and then you need to go to the extensions. Here you can see we are getting further information. So we need to select column, and then we need to click sort, and we are getting one additional information here, sort by column. So here you can see the day number of week we are getting 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we will sort this column according to this day number of the week so that we can get the proper ordering, right? So we need to select this column, extensions, column, sort, sort by column. So we need to sort this column by the day number of week, this one. Click OK, and now we need to save it and deploy. Close. Then we need to open Power BI, refresh. So here you can see the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So all the week name are in order. So one more option is, for example, if you click um, like here, the diagram view. So here you can see we are getting, for example, let's have a look to the dim date column. For example, this date key, because we are not doing anything with the date key, we use these keys just for the relationship. So we don't need these keys, and I mean these keys doesn't have any analytical advantage. So we can right click and hide from the client tools, this one, right? And when we will hide this key, it will not be shown into the client tool, or like here we are using Power BI. So we will just um, save and deploy. Okay, so in the Power BI you can see, for example, it was a date key here, and look here, if I refresh, it will be disappear. See, so we don't have any date key available. So in this video we have seen like how we can hide columns that we don't need to display in the client tool, and how to rename columns, and then how to connect the Power BI with the analysis services database. So we will further enhance this model in the upcoming videos. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any questions, please write in the comment section. Thank you.